Introducing the 2022 Kia Sportage K4 5-door in sleek grey. This MPV is not only stylish, but also packed with features like Bluetooth, satellite navigation, lane departure warning, and more. With advanced safety technology like emergency call and anti-collision system, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, the chrome package and privacy glass give it a sporty edge. Rest assured, knowing this vehicle has undergone a full health and safety check, is fully serviced, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call us or visit Dooley Motors Carlow showroom today